I'm talking about this price range here. Bitcoin will buy into this like so, then sell off. That is my anticipation. So any buys you see, don't treat it as a super cycle whatsoever. The super cycle hasn't started yet. And then there's something I also want to draw your attention to. If I go to the 6 months time frame, let me take all my technicals from the chart to let you guys understand something. If I take all my technicals, see guys, there is an engulfing candle on a 6 months time frame, and whenever we see an engulfing candle, it's a very clear evidence that the market is gonna sell like massively. You can see there's an engulfing candle right here. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this time around, I'm promising you guys that I wouldn't disappear. I would basically be here, and I would be giving you guys content back to back, and I promise you guys that. So it's just for your information. So there's new stuff that I got going on, and the first one is I'm going to talk about cryptocurrencies. I'm going to talk about altcoins. I'm going to talk about the Forex market. I'm going to talk about the stock market. I'm going to talk about anything that has to do with finances. And I'm going to get motivational quotes too. You're going to get advices too. And guess what? I've been trading for the past 6 years. I think 5 years is some change. But when I do the calculations very well, I'm heading towards my 6th year. So let's say 5 years and some change. Right? And this is your boy, Nimega Official. Nimega Official on all social media platforms, right? At a point, I'm gonna show you my lifestyle. I'm gonna show you what I do in a day. I'm also gonna talk about the fact that I also do a little bit of music. So I'm gonna show you guys studio time, what have you, and I'm also going to take you through I mean what I do basically. So let's hop into it. So today there's something interesting right now. If you go to TL, many people are talking about cryptocurrencies, what have you, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, XPR, what have you. So whenever I see anything of this sort on the media, it's my responsibility to update you guys on which move is a good move and why and what have you. So that's the whole point of this video. So let's hop straight into it. So before that, let me share with you let me share with you my YouTube channel, so you guys can. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. Let me show you guys my channel so you guys can follow. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel, and it is Eagle Forex Fix. Eagle Forex Fix. So guys, kindly go and follow this page, Eagle Forex Fix. I currently have 51 subscribers and 3 videos. As you can see, the YouTube channel is 5 years old. Can you imagine? 5 years. 5 years old. So the last time I posted a video was 2 years ago. So I've really slacked in pushing content out, for which I do understand and for which I do apologize. I really do apologize for the inconsistency on the part of my YouTube. But guys, guess what? Me being inconsistent, me spending a lot of time building my system, building my trading system, because that is what I'll literally teach you guys, for you guys to also make money from. Because if I don't have a system, then I can't teach you guys anything. Many people talk about supply and demand, many people talk about ICT, many people talk about, but at the end of the day, the whole point is to make money and to make good money. And majority of you don't have like big money, like $5,000, $10,000, $100,000. You don't have that. What you can afford, and what we know as a Ghanaian is $15, $20, $30. To make like $50, to make $100, to make $150. That's what you guys want. So that's what I'm here to give you guys. To give you guys free game, and then to teach you guys what you need to know about the financial market with reference to the Forex market. So guys, this is my YouTube channel. Do very well to follow and share, and then like the videos, because I'll be posting some new content on there. And that is my first video. Wow, it's been a very long time. I keep on here. So guys, yeah, that's that's why I'll be posting my stuff literally. So Eagle Forex fix. Okay, so guys, so in today's video, I'm just gonna start with some, with a TL and then what have you. So this is the page of the X page of the Binance CEO, right? So as you can see, he made a post I think 2 days ago, and I want to make reference to the post. So the post stated, "I could be wrong, but super cycle incoming." I could be wrong, but super cycle incoming. And I responded to the post saying, I don't think the super cycle is coming here, in the sense many people are speculating that Bitcoin is going to go parabolic. Bitcoin is going to buy so aggressively, break through 150k per coin, head towards 200k. Some people are even saying the next whatever year Bitcoin is going to be at $500,000 per coin. But then from my experience and then from my chart's experience, yes, Bitcoin has a potential to give these gains, but then there's a massive sell-off coming. I'm saying it again. Bitcoin or on the cryptos, there's a massive sell-off coming. So the propaganda online about the fact that you need to buy Bitcoin, you need to buy. You are literally buying into their sell orders. You are buying, then they will sell off on you guys. Because I have a very I have 6 years experience understanding technicals, and I'm going to take you through the technicals right about now. What you see with your eyes, if I'm bugging or I don't know what I'm saying. So guys, as you can see, I just entered buys on Ethereum, so nothing really crazy. But then let's focus our minds on Bitcoin for now. So what is Bitcoin doing? Let's go to the daily time frame to make things more understandable for you guys. So guys, as you can see, the highest Bitcoin has ever gotten to, the highest from here will be around $126,000 per coin. That's the highest Bitcoin has ever gotten to. So I'm anticipating Bitcoin needs to fall, right? Bitcoin needs to fall very aggressively, and that buys you are seeing are all partial buys, right? Are all partial buys. So don't be fooled into it. So you can see Bitcoin is currently, if I open it like so, you can see it's currently in a very ballistic buys. It's currently buying. You can see it's heading towards the upside like so. It's currently buying, but then as I was saying, it's basically buying into a resistance and then sell off, right? So let's go through this together. So yes, so I anticipated the move, and you can see Bitcoin did. So guys, let me do this for you guys to understand. So as you can see, Bitcoin did a counter trend trade, and the counter trend trade, Bitcoin resisted the 61.8% fib level, as you can see here. 61.8% fib level. So with that being said, my anticipation is Bitcoin will buy into like the 102,653 region, right? It will buy into that zone. This zone, I'm talking about this zone. Bitcoin will come into this zone right here. So it will buy into this zone. Then guess what will happen next? Then there will be a massive sell-off. Are you with me? There will be a massive sell-off. So the buys you are seeing, or the whole buys, or the whole funny parabolic, from my analysis, I could see Bitcoin will buy into 103,342. Is between 102,653 and then 103,342. That price range, the price range I've given, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm talking about this price range here. Bitcoin will buy into this like so, then sell off. That is my anticipation. So any buys you see, don't treat it as a super cycle whatsoever. The super cycle hasn't started yet. And then there's something I also want to draw your attention to. If I go if I go to the 6 months time frame, let me take all my technicals from the chart to let you guys understand something. If I take all my technicals, see guys, there is an engulfing candle on a 6 months time frame, and whenever we see an engulfing candle, it's a very clear evidence that the market is going to sell like massively. You know, you can see there's an engulfing candle right here, you know, so the market would basically come down like so, right? But then I'll do my technicals, and then I'll be telling you the potential price ranges whereby Bitcoin would. For me, I've done analysis. I know the price range where the parabolic buys will come, but then we'll take it one video at a time so you guys won't get overwhelmed. But for now, I just wanted you guys to be abreast with the fact that Bitcoin is not in its parabolic yet. It has created an engulfing sell candle on a 6 months time frame that is very strong, so you should be anticipating solid sells for the coming months. Solid sells for the coming months. So any buy you see, treat it as a partial buy, don't treat it as a parabolic buy. And one thing about Bitcoin I've seen over the years is the fact that whenever Bitcoin is popular, or whenever people talk about Bitcoin, that's when Bitcoin is about to disappoint people. But the moment people go quiet, people start to panic. That's when Bitcoin is about to go parabolic. So Bitcoin is more of a sentimental currency or a sentimental asset in a way. The more people are happy, then it's about to disappoint. The more people are in panic and in fear, then it's about to surprise people. So these are things you need to put in your mind. Because if you look at on a 6 months time frame, right, from 2002, right, from 1st July 2002, you can see that has been given solid full candles, solid buys, full candle until Tuesday 1st July 2025. You get it? The funny thing, I'm even reading at the things like it's like every July something happened. See this candle here. I just realized. See this. Saturday 1st July 2017. That's when it gave its first strong ballistic move. And then guess what? 1st July 2022. That's when Bitcoin reached another all-time high. You are seeing. Just look here. I just saw it. Just look here. Just look at the downside. Just look at it. 1st July 2017. That's when Bitcoin hit its all-time high. And then 1st July 2021. That's when Bitcoin hits its all-time high. I just saw it. And guys, guess what? 1st July 2025. That's when Bitcoin hits its all-time high. So how many years interval? So 2020, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. 4 years all-time high. 2021, 2021, 2021, 2020, 2020, 2024, 2025. 4 years, another all-time high. So guys, guess what? When would Bitcoin reach another all-time high from just this alone? The next 4 years. So 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029. Before it will rally another all-time high from just this common Bitcoin of Bitcoin overall analysis. I have an in-depth analysis. I just found out this right now in front of you guys. So it's so crazy to me. So every 4 years, Bitcoin attains a all-time high in every 4 years, and it's so crazy to me. And you guys can see it for yourself. I'm surprised. Wow, I never thought of it that way. But it seems probably God is talking to us, you know. So guys, as I was saying, don't be too happy. All these buys are short buys, and as I said, I'm anticipating it to buy into this zone here. So guys, this is the video for today. I'll start the beginner videos on YouTube and then put you guys on. But then I'll post this video here for you guys to be abreast with it and stuff like that. So I love you all, and as I said, don't forget to follow Eagle Forex Fix. Very, very, very important. As I'm going to bring new goodies, I'm going to bring stuff, and I'm going to make it very interesting for you guys to really love it. And then I love you all, and I'll meet you in the next video. Peace.